Yes, children, today we will going to read Too Much Water, Too Little Water, EVS class 4. Here you can see the picture too much water. That means when the water is excess, that will also create problem. And when there is a shortage of water, that will also create problem. Now let us start the chapter. In this chapter, we will learn about, in this video we will learn about the effect of drinking dirty water on health. We will learn about sources of water, reason of water shortage, methods of water purification, and home remedies precaution while suffering from diarrhea and vomiting. We will discuss some important question answers from these chapters also. Okay. So water is most precious thing in the world. Yes. Now you can see this is the structure of our body. Drinking water, plenty of water every day is important for good health. Your body relies on water for many functions such as, what are the functions? Moistening eyes, nose, mouth, making hormones and neurotransmitter. All these functions need water. So we get about 1/5 of the water we need from the food and the rest from drinking fluids. Men need about 10 cups of fluids every day. 10 cups means 1 cup is equal to 1 glass. Okay, 250 ml. So it needs 8 cups. Women needs 8 cups and small kids needs 4 to 8 glass of water. It's a good idea to choose water other than different drinks. Okay. Now our body, here you can see our body. Heart is made up of 79% of water, brain 75%, liver 86%, skin 64%, bone 22%, muscle 75%, blood 83%, lungs 80%, lymph 94%, kidney 83%, joints 83%. So we can say that our body is made up of 70% of the water. Okay. Next. So water. This is the different water we need for our different functions. 22% bone, like this just now we have discussed. Now let us see why Earth is called a blue planet. Because 71% of Earth is covered with water. That is why Earth is called blue planet. Now about 71% of surface is water covered. The ocean holds 96.5% of all Earth's water. Water also exists in the air as water vapor, in rivers and lakes, in ice caps and glaciers, and in the ground as soil moisture. So we can say that 71% of the earth is made up of water. That's why Earth is called blue planet. Now when there is a shortage of water, then what will happen? There will be a drought, famine, and you will such type of problem you will have to face. You will have to make a big queue to collect water. So we are very fortunate enough in Assam that we are not facing such type of problem, but we should always use water judiciously so that in future we don't have to face such problems. Now reason for water shortage. So there are different types of reason. So natural causes are global warming, lack of rain, floods, and the human causes are population. Now number of the populations are increasing. That is all the main reason of the shortage of water. Now for the industrial works also, pollution also, and bad consumption. Bad consumption, that without thinking much, without using judiciously water, also the human beings are causing water shortage. Next, let us start the chapter. Nalabanda, Andhra Pradesh. Sugana was reading her book when she heard someone at the door. She saw that there was a visitor from the city. Appa welcomed the guest. He told Selva to bring cold drink for him. The guest said, I do not take cold drinks. I will just have a glass of water. So here this is the story of Nalamanda. She is from Andhra Pradesh. So when a guest came to their house, her father offered cold drink instead of water. Now let us see why. Appa said these days we are not getting water that is fit for drinking. So this is the reason why he was offering cold drink to his guest. It does not even look clean. It would be better if you do not drink this water. We do not have a choice, so we drink it. Now this is the reason. That's why the father gave cold drink, wanted to give cold drink to his guest. And he told that water is not fit for drinking, but they have no other option, so they have to drink that unclean water only. Now, next story is about Bazargaon, Maharashtra. There was a big water park near Bazargaon. One day, Rohan and Reena went with their parents to the water park. There were many water fountains. Reena said, "Look, Rohan, there are so many rides in water, and look at all these big ponds." Rohan said, "Splash, splash, splash." Both turned around. They saw a long, thick water hose going zoom, zoom, zoom. So, this is the story of Bazargaon, Maharashtra, of Rohan and Reena. Where they were going? They were going to the water park. Next. So children were sliding down a big tall slide and landing in water with a loud splash. Rohan got into a swing high above. Whoosh! Within a second he had landed in the water. Reena gave a shriek of surprise. So these are the things which were there in the water park. Just then they heard a lot of noise, loud noise, voices from outside the park. Everyone ran towards the main gate. There was a crowd of people carrying empty buckets and pots. A small child carrying an empty bottle was clinging to his mother. Rohan's mother went to one of the women in the crowd. "What's the matter?" she asked. So when they were enjoying in the water park, what happened? Suddenly they heard a loud noise, and they go near the main gate. There, what they saw that big crowd of peoples were there carrying empty buckets. Now see what's happened next. The woman replied angrily, "You ask what is the matter? Our well have no water. We get our water only when the tanker comes once a week. Today even that has not came, and here there is much water everywhere just for you all to play and enjoy. Tell me, what should we do?" So that woman was angry. When Rohan mothers asked, she told that in our village there is a shortage of water, and here you are playing with the water. Next. So this is a picture of the water park. Now what is the water park? A water park or what is an amusement park that features water play areas such as swimming pools, water slides, splash pads, water playground, lazy rivers, as well as areas for floating, boating, swimming. And usually people go to the water park in the summer season to cool themselves. So from where this water came? From there nearby. But nowadays in the water park they are reusing the water. Next. Can we drink this? Now let us see that it is the third story of this chapter. Cafe Parade, Mumbai. The lift stopped at the 26th floor. Deepak loves going in the lift. Today was a holiday in school. Deepak had gone with his mother to Razia's madam's house. From this one we came to know this. Deepak's mother is a housemaid. His mother worked there. The house was quiet and cool and shining clean. Razia was reading newspaper. She smiled when she saw Deepak. "Is it a holiday today?" she asked. She switched on the TV and Deepak was soon lost in the world of cartoon. So when Razia brought her son Deepak, then when Deepak's mother and Deepak entered the Razia madam's house, what happened? Razia smiled and she asked Deepak, "Is it a holiday?" But Deepak didn't answer because he was lost in the world of cartoon. Razia called out, "Pushpa, it says in the newspaper that the gutter water has got mixed with the water in the drinking water pipes in this area. It says that many people are sick." So in the newspaper, she came to know that their drinking water pipe has got mixed with the what pipe? Gutter water. Okay, next. Where Deepak lives? Deepak lives in Mumbai. From where did Deepak gets water? From a public tap, as everyone has to stand in a queue to fill water from the common public tap in the area. In Razia's house, water comes all day in the tap. Why is this? In Razia's house, water comes all day from the overhead tank. Why do drinking water places get dirty? Now, why the drinking water these places gets dirty? Because water often splits during washing and taking out water. Next, Razia called up Pushpa. It says in the newspaper that gutter water has got mixed with the water in the drinking water pipes in this area. It says that many people are sick with diarrhea and vomiting because of this. Why don't you throw away the water that was filled yesterday? Now, when she came to know that their um, drinking water has been polluted with gutter water, she asked Pushpa to throw away all the water that was collected yesterday. Now, put some fresh water to boil for drinking and also take home some boiled water for your family. Now, how they were drinking water? By boiling the water, because when you boil the water, then all the germs go away and that is fit for drinking. Boiled water. Deepak was happy to hear this. He thought at least today he will not have to stand in a queue for hours to get water for our house. It is a real holiday for him. Now next. Why was Razia worried when she read the newspaper? Because water got dirty and unclean. Because water from the gutter was mixed in the water pipe. Razia asked that all the water that was filled in the previous day should be thrown. Could this water have been used for something else? What kind of things? Yes, that water could be used for washing clothes, vehicles, and for watering the plants. In what way did she plan to clean the water? She planned to boil water to make it clean. Suppose Razia had not read the news and everyone had drunk the water without boiling it, what could have happened? Had they drunk water without boiling, then most of them could have fallen sick with diarrhea and vomiting. Okay, next. Have you ever suffered from diarrhea and vomiting? How did you feel when we have diarrhea and vomiting? We lost a lot of water from our body. So when we suffer from diarrhea and vomiting, what happened? Lots of water is lost from our body. This is very dangerous if we do not take care. It is important that we make up for the water that we lost from our body. We should drink a lot of water when this happens. We should also mix some salt and sugar in the water. For this, mix 1 teaspoon sugar and a pinch of salt in 1 glass of boiled water. Pinch means ek chutki, okay, and cooled water. Taste it to make sure that there is not too much salt. The water should not taste more salty than our tears. Yes. So this solution is known as actually ORS. When a person has diarrhea and vomiting, the water must be sipped slowly by them. Light food must be taken. Babies should continue to take their mother's milk as this is a good for them. It is also necessary to take some medicines. They can also be made homemade remedies. If the diarrhea does not stop, it is important to get the advice of a doctor. So small baby should be given mother's milk continuously and this mixture continuously. If diarrhea does not stop, then one must consult the doctor immediately. Now next, what is the full form of ORS? Oral rehydration solution. Now what is the recipe of ORS? In a glass of boiled and warm water, put 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Like this, homemade ORS is ready. When ORS is given? When someone is suffering from diarrhea and vomiting. Next, what are the different methods, ways to clean the water? By boiling the water, by adding alum to water, by adding chlorine to water, by filtering water using water purifier. These are the different methods, ways to clean the water. Next, methods of water purification. This method is now sedimentation. In this method, what happens? The heavier particle stays at the bottom of the glass or beaker. Now this method is known as decantation. In this method, what happens? When you tilt this container, what will happen? The pure water will fall down and the heavier dirty impure things will remain at the bottom. Now this is the third process, filtration, in which what happened, this is the filter paper is used and the impure water is poured, and whatever impure is that, it will stay here in the filter water and the filtrate water will come to this part. Okay, next. How can unclean or dirty water harm our body? Our body can get many diseases because of dirty water. Are there times when you are not allowed to play in water? What are the reason? So in winter season, in rainy season, when the water is deep, when the water is dirty, at this time we are not allowed to play in water. The restrictions are so that I don't spoil my health and remain safe. Yes. Now next question, the water park had a lot of water to play in, and but the nearby village did not have water even to discuss. Okay, so water parks are usually run by private authorities and run for making profit, but in the village water is supplied by government. Because of poor management, government often fails to supply water properly. That is the reason. Now this much for today. You will read the chapter properly and do all the question answer. Thank you.